right. We don't have a gale force windstorm. Whoa, sweetie. Whoa. There we go. That's okay. Walk on. Nope, I want you to walk. Start with a walk. Come around. Come around. Good. Good boy. Let's trot. Good boy. Trot. Good boy. Very different action with breeching than with a lightweight rein around his fanny. Doodlebug, you get back here. You never can tell when there might be a car to chase. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good boy. Nice and easy. Now come around. Come left. Come around. Look at you. Oh, you're so smart. Whoop, whoop. Trot. Trot. Good boy. Trot. There's a good boy. I want you over to the rail. Over to the rail. Good boy. All right, let's come down and walk. Easy. Easy. Good boy. That's right. Walk on. Walk on. I didn't say the stop word yet. Nope. On the rail and walk. On the rail and walk. Walk on. He says, convince me. There, does that convince you? Oh, yes, he says. Now I have a whip in my hand. Walk, 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 walk. On the rail and walk. On the rail and walk. Good boy, Gale. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Good boy. Doodlebug, come back here. Walk. Whoa. Gale, whoa. Are you paying attention? Hello? Are you up there? Walk on. Come around. Come right. Look at you. Whee! Trot. There's a good boy. Trot. Whoop! Good boy. It's not that he can't canter. It's that I want him to do what I told him to do. Generally, I do not canter them at this age. Trot. Yeah, imagine that. Get over to the rail. All right, Gale, let's walk. Easy. Easy. Just walk. Easy. Good boy. Nope. Just walk. That's a boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Gale, whoa. Whoa. Thank you. Over his shoulder you see our new mare who has not earned a name yet. Walk on. You, like your brother, stop and stand like a champ. Yes. Gale, trot. Trot. Good boy. Nice and steady. So he's just about to the point that he's going to start learning words to go with his gaits. I want a steady trot, and that is a working trot. Working trot. Good boy. Yeah, it's kind of boring to do this round after round, isn't it? Well, nope, 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 nope. Good boy. Good boy. Very nice. Whoa. Good boy. Nope. Just stand. Whoa. Walk on. Walk. That's right. Good boy. Easy. Nice, nice, nice. Walk. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Nope. Because he's bored, we're going to get into some quick work here. Gale, trot. Good boy. Come around. Come around. Come around because you were told to. Thank you. Come around. Come around. Yeah. Gives you something to think about, doesn't it? Come around. Come around. Think about it. Come around, good boy. Trot. Working trot. Yes, all of a sudden you're having to pay attention, huh? Working trot. Not just the same old stuff, young man. Not until you're told to. Come around. Come around. Good boy. Whoop, whoop. Come around. Come around. Good boy. Come around. Whoop. Good boy. It's just working trot. Yeah. Now you're paying attention. I like that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Trot. You're wondering if I'm paying attention. I am. Trot. I didn't say anything about coming around. Trot. Good boy. That's right. Come around. Come around. Good boy. Oh, that's nice. Let's walk. Walk. Easy. Walk on. That's right. Good boy. Walk. look at you. You're paying attention. Good boy. Gale, walk on. Good boy. Walk on. Walk on. When I am doing this work with the youngsters, I leave things loose. I leave things to flop. I want them to get used to everything. Gale, come around. Come around. Come right. Come right. Good boy. Just walk. That's right. Good boy. Nope. Walk. 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 Nope. Walk. Walk. Come around. Walk. Just walk. That's all I asked for. You just have to do what I asked for, and then it's going to be really easy. Gale, whoa. Come back around there. Come back around. Come back around. Good boy. Now, whoa. Just stand still.